So on that one here, just drive that in there and then get that knee penetrating. And you see, you know how tall I am, right? You see I'm loading down now. You understand? Don't really drop and drive in, get your base down, my hips in line or lower than his, and then drive him around. Okay? Now give you another few more minutes. Do you have a question? Hang on guys!
Can you disarm the stick?
You can do, but the best way, my best preferred way to disarm the stick is concussion. See, disarming the stick while someone's trying to stab me with a knife and they've got a stick is something that Bob would probably teach you. And I could do it, but really, next time ask Guru Bob, yeah? Let's just put the guy to sleep.
But only when absolutely necessary, Ollie.
He's
Okay?
got a knife. He's got a knife in his hand. He's got a knife in his hand. Do you understand? This is one that show you mentioned in the school playground.
But only when absolutely necessary.
See you later.